Today we talk about conventional source of energy. So what are conventional source of energy? Are those which have been used by man for a long time and is still being abundantly used. They are also known as non-renewable source of energy because these sources of energy cannot be renewed. It takes a very long time for them to be renewed. So as a result, they are polluted, they cause pollution and are also expensive or costlier source of energy. Now the first conventional source of energy is coal. So coal is actually found in sedimentary layers of rocks. Okay, and they are formed due to accumulation of plant matter either in swampy areas or broad deltas, coastal plains and basin lowlands. So the vegetative matter are subjected to geological processes and which results in physical and chemical changes, and they also undergo change due to heat and pressure to form coal. So there are different varieties of coal based on the amount of carbon, moisture, and volatile matter. The first variety, the high quality variety of coal, is anthracite coal. Now, anthracite coal is the hardest. Okay, it is shiny and lustrous. It is jet black in color. It contains 90% of carbon is content in anthracite coal, and it has very high heating value with little ash. Okay, and it burns with very little smoke, so it is used for domestic purpose. Now the next quality of coal is bituminous coal, which has about 50 to 80% of carbon content, and which is the best of the bituminous coal, which is also used in industries in the iron and steel industry. Okay, so as a result, coking coal is a high grade bituminous coal which has special value because when it is heated in coke ovens, it fuses into coke. So bituminous coal, the higher quality bituminous coal is coking coal, which is used in industries. Now the next is lignite, which is a brown coal, and it is just of a very low grade. Quality of the brown coal is not very good, and it only has about 40% of carbon. And the least quality of the coal is peat, which is just in the first stage of formation of coal. It is in the wood state. The peat is in the wood state of formation of coal, which we call kat koila. Okay, and it has least carbon content and is the most inferior of all the three varieties. So we have anthracite, the highest quality of coal, then you have bituminous, then we have lignite and peat, all based on the amount of carbon content, amount of moisture and volatile matter. Now, distribution of coal, India ranks third in the world for distribution of coal. Now, the oldest coal field in India, please underline, is in Raniganj in West Bengal, and the largest coal field in Jharia in Jharkhand. These two are very important. Okay. Now, in India, coal occurs in rock sequences mainly of two geological ages. One geological age is a Gondwana, which is little over 200 million years in age, and the other is tertiary deposits, which is about 55 million years ago. So India does not have very extensive deposits of high-grade anthracite coal. The coal of the Gondwana field is mainly of bituminous quality, which has carbon content of 50 to 80%. So two types of coal, all right, based on geological age is your Gondwana coal fields, and the other is tertiary coal fields. Now your Gondwana coal fields accounts for 90% of the coal reserves in the whole of India. And this Gondwana coal is almost free from moisture, contains sulfur, phosphorus, and in very small amount. It is mined from deep collieries and is used in steel plants. So Gondwana coal fields are normally found in the river valleys of the Damodar, Mahanadi, and Godavari. And the major resources of Gondwana coal are located in the coal fields occupying the Indian heartland in the states of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, and so on. Now, tertiary coal fields, on the other hand, as compared to the Gondwana coal, has a higher moisture content, more sulfur with less calorific value. Tertiary coalfields are found in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, mostly in the northeast, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Kashmir. Besides, brown coal or lignite occurs in coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and inland basin of Rajasthan. Now, the Neyveli lignite field in Tamil Nadu is the largest lignite deposit field in South India. Now, advantages of coal. Coal is used as a source of power for running machines, trains, ships, and dynamos. It is also used for manufacturing iron and steel. It is also used as a source of direct heat, energy for domestic purpose, burning of bricks, tiles, and in iron and brass factories. Then it is also used as raw material in thermal power plants. These are the advantages of coal. Now, the disadvantage of coal: calorific value of coal found in India is very low, and coal reserves are scattered in small amounts in India. They are not found in large amounts in one particular area. Coal reserves are scattered all over India, but in small amounts. Cost of production and transportation of coal is also very high because it is a bulky product. And there are also limited reserves of coal in India. So coal is normally not found in all parts of India. It is mostly concentrated towards the eastern parts of India. Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar, then you have West Bengal. These are the areas where coal is normally found. Then large-scale pollution is also caused at the site of mining and place of use of coal. Now, distribution and uses of different varieties of coal in India is important. Just go through this. Anthracite, it is found in Jammu and Kashmir only. India's reserves of anthracite coal are not very sufficient. It is ideal for domestic use as it is smokeless fuel with high calorific value, means it burns very easily. It is used for metallurgical processes and in iron and steel industry. Now, bituminous coal is found in the Gondwana coal fields, then used to produce coke, coal, gas, steam. All right, and lignite found in Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, used for generation of electricity. And finally, you have peat, occurs on Nilgiri mountains in patches in Kashmir Valley and swampy areas of coastal plains. This is all you learn about coal. No need to do this. There is no need for you to do this chart here. Learn this much about coal.